Good morning, students. Wishing you a happy and healthy morning. Today, we are going to discuss a new topic, how federalism is practiced. Students, we know that India is a diverse country with different language, culture, and tradition, etc. In order to ensure the spirit of federalism, respect for diversity, and for making all people together, many arrangements are done in our country, such as good democratic politics. Our country is having a successful federalism because of the following arrangements. Let's start with the first one, linguistic states. When India began its journey as a democracy in 1947, there were not too many states in India as we are having now. Earlier, we were having 14 states and 6 union territories, but now we are having 29 states and 7 union territories. Means evolution of state over a long period of time was there. In 1947, boundaries of several old states of India were changed in order to create new states. These new states were made on the basis of language and came to be known as linguistic states. People speaking the same language lived in the same state. For example, Andhra Pradesh state is created for Telugu speaking people. Tamil Nadu state is created for Tamil speaker. Except language, many states were also formed on the basis of culture and geography, such as Himachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Uttarakhand. Himachal Pradesh is created on the basis of geography as it is in mountainous area. When such type of states were created on different bases, then national leader feared that it would divide the country, so central government was against this for some time. But after time, experiences proved that in spite of dividation, the linguistic states has actually made the country more united. Now, let's start with the next one, language policy. Question is, what language policy was adopted by India? Students, India is a multi-language country. So, in order to give respect to each and every language, the following arrangements are done. Number 1, we didn't have any national language. Number 2, no doubt Hindi was identified as official language, means all the government acts will be conducted in Hindi. But beside Hindi, 21 other languages were also promoted by the Constitution and recognized as scheduled languages. Means you can choose any language according to your own convenience, such as for central government exam, one may opt to take examination in any of these languages according to this language policy. States too have their own official languages and government can work in the official language of the concerned state. In India, as importance was given to all the languages, situation doesn't turn like in Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, the importance was given only to Sinhala language by neglecting the Tamil languages. Although use of Hindi for official purpose was stopped in 1965, but many non-Hindi speaking states demanded the use of English to continue. So that's why central government responded by agreeing to continue the use of English along with Hindi for official purposes. There was true promotion of Hindi, but it doesn't mean that Hindi is imposed by central government on all those states who are speaking different languages. This flexibility avoid the situation of civil war. Let's start with the center-state relations. Power sharing arrangement work on how the ruling parties and leaders follow these arrangements, means how the ruling parties are following these arrangements. Before 1990, when there was one party rule, means same party rule both at the center and state. They neglect federalism, means the state government don't exercise its power. But if ruling party at the state level was different, then central level party tried to undermine the power of states. Also, the central government misused the constitution to dismiss the state government. But after 1990, situation reversed totally. Many regional political parties emerged in many states of country. This period was known as era of coalition government at the center. Now question is, what is coalition parties or government? When no single party got a clear majority in Lok Sabha, then National Party joined with other parties including regional parties and form a government at center. This gave birth to new culture, respect and power sharing for state government. Now, Supreme Court made it difficult for the central government to dismiss state government by making the federal power sharing more effective than earlier. That's all for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.